Welcome, November the 2nd. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is well. Be blessed, be blessed. I'm blessed and hope everyone is blessed. Oh, I'm coming on YouTube today and I'm going to do a chicken hash that I had left from my eight dinner.
Her budget meal for
from the budget meal.
$25.
Yeah, and I had some left, so I'm taking it and I'm making out chicken hash. So I've already got everything. I have my potatoes and everything cut up and ready to go. And so now I have onions, bell peppers, sweet peppers, and everything, potatoes in there also. And I'll be putting in the chicken as soon as the potatoes and stuff brown. So I'm getting ready now. I'm going to read you the scripture first. Let me see. Okay. I'm using avocado oil. I don't know what I'm using today. Okay. I'm going to pull a card and have my scriptures ready. Just a second. Found among the age, does not long life bring understanding? It's not wisdom found among the aged. Does not long life bring understanding? Job 12:12. That is my scripture reading for today. And I hope it will help someone for a better day today. So thank you all for listening to the scripture. So now I've got the food cut on and I'm going to get ready to cut it just a little bit higher so I can get it started. I hope everyone is having a nice day today.
And how many potatoes did you use?
I peeled two kind of large sizes and I had 3 small ones, so it's about 5 altogether. But when it really boils down, you really have about 4 good sizes. So that's about it. This is the bowl of chicken that I have cut out, that I had left off of the rotisserie chicken that I had. And usually, when you make it in the rotisserie chicken, the hash is very good because you got another flavor with it from the rotisserie, and it's very, very good. So
how many cups is that in the bowl?
Huh?
How many cups is that?
Yes.
How many cups? Okay, y'all, she has 3 cups of chicken. That was left over from the rotisserie chicken. So y'all, she put onion powder, garlic powder, and complete seasoning in there.
Okay.
And a little white pepper.
Right now, I'm putting it into broth in.
That's chicken broth.
It's low sodium.
Low sodium chicken broth.
Put chicken in front, put the other milk in.
And there's 3 cups of chicken, y'all. She used 5 potatoes, 2 cups of chicken broth, and she'll add some water and some heavy cream to it. And she's putting white pepper in. Put white pepper in.
All right, I'm pouring the water in now.
Okay, yeah, she poured a whole full bottle of water in there.
I had to cook a few about 10 or 15 minutes before I put the milk in.
And heavy cream.
Smoothly. It smells good. Put in the heavy cream, half a cup.
Okay, yeah, she probably put a 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in there. Kind of thicken it up a little bit. You can always make this a one-pot meal by adding some vegetables of your choice.
Everyone, this is my final presentation of my chicken hash that I made out of what I had left from the $25 meal that I had, and I had this chicken that I had bought, rotisserie chicken. This is what I had left from it in order to make this hash today. Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm going to take a bite of it for you, but it's very hot right now. And I have made some biscuits to go with it.
No, not homemade biscuits, y'all. Them just canned biscuits.
Okay, everyone, this is so good. And it's very delicious. Very, very good.
Yeah, usually she make turkey hash. Oh, since she had the chicken left, she did the chicken hash. You can make chicken or turkey hash. And she also got videos of the turkey hash that she do after Thanksgiving, after Christmas.
So hot now, I'm sorry. It's so delicious, but it's burning my mouth. I'm sorry about that. But you all, it's very, very good. It's very difficult, and we're doing a little work in the kitchen, so I'm having to sit down below, so I can't hope you all can see me quite well. Okay. Okay, goodbye, everyone. I hope you all try to make whatever you have left in your chicken or turkey, make hash out of it. You can either have, it doesn't have to be chicken or turkey. It can be any kind of meat that you have left. So thank you so much. And I will see you in the next video. And I hope you will like this video. And she's going to put everything in the description box, so you can try to copy it if you'd like to. Thank you so much. Go Miss Nina's Kitchen. Goodbye now, everyone.